Welcome to Cook with Pictionama, and today we are going to show you the recipe of Mourala Macher Peyaji. It's an onion fritter that you make with Mourala Mach. It's a freshwater fish which is about 2 to 3 centimeters long that you get in Bengal and surrounding areas. You can do this with any other small fish as well. So I have over here 200 grams of Mourala Mach which I have marinated with salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then I have taken 2 large onions. You can take 2 or 3 onions at your choice. Then do the drill, peel them, wash them, and then slice them into long thin slices. Not too fine, a little, about 1.5 millimeters thickness is good enough. Once you finish slicing the onions, you add them to the fish. Ideally, you should release all the fine slices and then add them to the fish. You can do it later as well. I've added a teaspoon of garlic paste and then basically released all the slices, the long slices, and then mixed it up with the fish. This is how Anindya likes his Mourala Mach, or maybe a Mourala Mach chal. I like it simply deep fried with salt and turmeric powder. So over here I've added a tablespoon of rice flour. You can also add corn flour and Bengal gram flour, which is the main ingredient, a little bit of salt to season, and a splash of water. The amount of Bengal gram flour that will go into this recipe completely depends on the moisture that will come out of the onions, or if there is any moisture in the fish. I've also added some lemon juice to this, so there is liquid from that. You have to judge it with your fingers. The batter has to lightly coat the fish and the onions so that you can pick up one fish and a few strands of the onions, and you can pick it in your hand and bring it together. So I've added over here about 9 tablespoons of besan. Sometimes 8 tablespoons is enough, and gently mix them. You don't want to break the fish apart. So here I'm heating vegetable oil in a karai for deep frying, and then I also added some red chili powder and lemon juice. As you can see, I've added now at the final stage. You can add it in the beginning, I just forgot to add. You can season it with nigella seeds. You can season it with a little bit of green chilies, anything you wish to. And then take one fish, few strands of onions, and dip them in the hot oil, and then reduce the temperature to a medium, because you don't want to burn the fritters. You just want it nicely fried into a golden color. Flip the fritters to cook the fish evenly on both sides. So once you have a beautiful golden color on both sides and you feel that it is crispy enough, you can use a slotted spoon or a spatula and take the fish out of the oil and place it on a kitchen towel. Mourala Macher Peyaji goes very well with khichdi or with a dal, or you can have it as a snack in the evening when you have friends over. So it's a very easy peasy snack that you can make anytime as long as you have the fish with you. Now comes the main part. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the time. Subscribe and press on the bell icon so that you can receive future notifications of videos. And if you like this recipe, do leave in a comment below and share this with your friends and family.